Now, the Indian government has revived the 6-year tax tussle with telecom giant Vodafone, which has, of course, dampened investor spirits. In an exclusive conversation with ET Now, KPMG India's CEO Richard Rekhi has said that the government should avoid retrospective tax laws as it comes in the way of business planning by corporates. It may also impact foreign direct investment into the country, says Rekhi. Here's an excerpt.
Our view is that all laws which come in should be prospective, because when businessmen plan their business, they have no problem in paying tax. But you should be clear about the law. And once the law says that this is the way it is, people take decisions on it. And I think it's important the government keeps consistency of policy and does not bring retrospective amendment unless there is it is really needed, or there was a misunderstanding or a misuse of the law. But otherwise, in my view, all laws, any change should actually come from a perspective so that people can plan. People need to know the next 4 to 5 years what are going to be the policies so that they could plan their businesses, because you cannot be looking into an uncertain future. And that's when challenges, and that's what the Indian economy is going through today. There's a huge amount of uncertainties around government policy, and I think government should very quickly clarify.
Let's shift focus to the government's reform drive. 2013, it's going to be a really exciting year for taxation, because everybody is expecting this to be a landmark year, because there are a lot of pending tax reforms from the government side. What are some of the most crucial tax reforms that you as KPMG CEO are looking forward to as far as improving the entire investment climate in India is concerned?
Okay, the one big challenge which happened to the country in the last budget was this Vodafone case and the GAR which came in. And then the government was quick to respond. It brought the Shom committee in, which came with some recommendations on GAR, saying GAR should be deferred by 3 years. Is India ready? Now, if the government, we have been told the government may accept some of these, not in totality, but some of it. If they can, the Shom committee also recommended whether the Vodafone case can be set aside. Now, if they look at some of these will put a positive sentiment into the economy as far as the FDI is concerned.